When planning an upgrade to its production line, Jebsee Electronics faced a big question. How would automation affect capacity, cost, and return on investment? And more importantly, would the investment really pay off? Making changes in the real world can be expensive, so Jebsee chose a smarter path. Test everything in a virtual world first. Using DataMesh FactVerse, they quickly built a digital twin of the production line. In this virtual environment, they could adjust layouts, change equipment settings, and simulate multiple production scenarios, all without stopping the real factory. With data fusion services, the team built analysis workflows and dashboards using simple drag-and-drop tools, making it easy to see how each plan performed. By connecting to NVIDIA Omniverse, the simulations were displayed with high-quality, realistic visuals, helping managers clearly understand what would actually happen on the shop floor. FactVerse also provides AI-powered insights. The system generated comparison reports and even suggested improvements. AI spotted slow manual material handling and recommended switching to AGVs. The result? A projected 18% boost in output, plus lower labor costs. With FactVerse-powered simulation, manufacturers can validate and optimize plans before making real-world changes, resulting in clearer direction, lower risk, and a smarter path towards successful automation.